Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to disable the feature in Google Chrome that asks where to save files before downloading. This new update allows you to streamline your downloading process, making it more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You will see 3 vertical dots, which represent the menu. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various options for your browser. Next, scroll down until you find the Downloads section. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may need to look for it in the left sidebar or further down on the Settings page. Now that you're in the Downloads section, look for the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading. This is typically a toggle switch or checkbox. To disable this feature, simply toggle off the switch or uncheck the box next to it. By doing this, Chrome will no longer prompt you every time you download a file, and instead, it will automatically save files to your default download location. And that's it. You have successfully disabled the prompt that asks where to save files before downloading. This change can save you time and make managing your downloads much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your browsing experience. Thank you for watching and enjoy a smoother download process in Google Chrome.